Kia ora. Why do some adults tell children that the world is going to be awful up ahead? The future is meant to be a promise for them, not a threat. On the contrary, this is the best time in human history to be alive. Is it perfect? No, it's not. The world is a beautiful mess. It always has been and it always will be. In spite of all of that, the world is likely to be extraordinary up ahead. Now, in a series of workshops throughout New Zealand in June with Learning Network, I intend to offer to you all sorts of compelling reasons why the world is okay right now and why we need to tell children that. I will also outline a series of capabilities that I believe are very necessary for children in that inspiring future. Capabilities like adaptive agility and empathy and initiative and entrepreneurship. Those ideas will be based upon practical classroom application and also be made for use throughout a school. I look forward to seeing you there.